Hey guys, my name's Tito Byce, and today I'm going to show you all how to use advanced settings in Google. And today we're going to be searching up kinesiology. And the first thing that we're going to do, we're going to scroll over here to the gear button, the settings button. We're going to click on that and go down here to advanced search. And for the first search, we're going to go kinesiology in this top box right here. And I'm going to go down and click advanced search. And it's going to bring me to a bunch of websites and articles about kinesiology. And my second feature is going to be the all-in URL. So we're going to go back to settings, back to advanced search. And we're going to come down to site or domain right here. And we're going to copy our, we're going to paste our URL link into the site or domain. And we're going to put an advanced search into that. And it's going to bring me to this website right here that I had clicked on earlier. And it's about kinesiology from Michigan. And my next and final feature is going to be using the @ symbol. So we're going to come up here and I'm going to search up kinesiology at Twitter. And I'm coming down here to my advanced search. And it'll be this first one right here or any of these that you want to pick, and it's hashtag kinesiology. And it's going to bring me to Twitter, and it's just going to be people talking about kinesiology in all sorts of ways that they have. Thank you guys for joining, and I'll see y'all on the next one.